Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm at home just like you guys all are today, but the fun thing is you get to see my face today. There's no mask over it, so I'm kind of excited. So I went all the way to school today. My feet got soaking wet with the rain. My socks were completely wet, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to walk around with wet socks all day. And then the school got closed and I had to come home. So I worked really, really hard to get something together for you guys today so that you guys don't just have to do Lexia all day, okay? And so that we don't get behind. So I know a lot of you, the first question you're going to say is, what about my comic strip? I know that's due today. Well, you're an awesome student for remembering that it's due today. Because of everything and all of that, I'm going to push the due date later this week when we're back in class. For those that are on campus learners, your stuff is at school and you can't get to it right now. So I completely understand that. So that will be due later this week. Okay. So what I have done for you is I've created a choice board. I'm going to show you how to get to that here in a minute, but this is what it looks like. Okay. So it says September 22nd, 2020. That's today. You are going to complete a choice board. You can complete it in any order. It just has to be completed by the end of today. Now, you're already watching the following instructions. Okay. So let's look at the second slide here. So it says complete the choice board to the best of your ability, complete the must-do activities first, and then complete your other two choices any way you want. Once you have completed a square, change the color of the box so that your teacher can give you credit for what you've completed. So, for example, what that means is if you've completed your spiral review, you're going to highlight it. You're going to go up to your little paint bucket up here, and you get to pick any color you want. I'm going to pick yellow. And I've changed it because that shows Miss Armstrong that you have completed that box, okay? I'm going to change it back only because I want to make sure you guys see it. Okay, so now spiral review and September reading bingo challenge. You must do those two things today in class, okay? Those are the two must-dos. But then your pick two to complete. Out of these four activities, you get to choose the two activities you want to do. Let's say maybe you didn't get a chance to check out books from the school library yet. You can go ahead and do that. September reading challenge, maybe you want to complete another box today. That'd be cool too. You could do that. Lexia Core, you could do that for 20 minutes. Or you could listen to a read aloud, and the link is right here. I picked a fun read aloud today. It says the rain came down. I thought it was pretty fitting since it's raining cats and dogs outside today. So let me show you how to get there. Okay. So of course we're going to go to Schoology. Okay. I teach reading. So guess what course we're going to go to? Reading. Okay. Then we're going to scroll all the way down and I'm going to talk about the spiral review first. Okay, so your spiral review is now going to be in this black folder. And this is what Ms. Armstrong was going to talk about today in class, but I'm going to talk about it now. So spiral review is normally you're going to do it during Pride time, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But this week, you're going to do it during your choice board time. Okay, so you're going to click on spiral review. And look, it's week 3. So you're going to click on spiral review week 3. Okay, today you only have to, according to your choice board, do the story that's called Family Picnic. So let's go back. I'm going to click on Family Picnic and I'm going to complete that activity. Okay, it'll give you a grade and you can see what you got when you're finished and you can see your correct answers. All right, now the next must do is your September reading bingo. All of you brought this home and all of you had it in your folder, but just in case you lost it, go back to your reading course. Okay, first 9 weeks. Look what's right here at the bottom of your page. September Reading Bingo Challenge. You click on it. And Miss Armstrong, scrolling down all the way, look at this PDF. You click on that, and it will upload it for you. And look, you can print it out and you can complete something today. Okay? So that is where that is. Now, the other activities on here is Lexia Core 5. You guys all know that's on your dashboard. And it looks like this. You have all gotten pretty used to Lexia Core 5, so you should know exactly where that's at. Okay? Now, the next thing on there is check out books from the library. Okay, let's go back to my Schoology here. Go back to the reading course. Now, Miss Armstrong was super awesome and I made a library folder for everybody. So look at this pink folder right here. It says library. You're going to click on it. Okay, if you are an at-home learner, normally, not just today, but normally, you're going to click here. Okay, you're going to click on this link here and you're going to fill out the form. If you're an on-campus learner, you're going to click on this button and you're going to follow these steps. Now today, maybe you just want to read something completely different for your choice board. Look, you can do checkout ebooks right here and you can read these at any time. Okay, they are online, so you can read them at any time. And that would be a great resource for you to use today if you'd like. Okay, when you are done, okay, you are going to go back to the reading course. Okay, you're going to go to your normal place, first 9 weeks, week 3, today is Tuesday, and you're going to turn in your reading choice board right here. Okay, that is where you're going to be working, and I want you to make sure you hit submit today. Okay, if you have any questions, please jump on my Zoom and I would be more than happy to answer any of your questions. I'm so sad I didn't get to see any of you guys in person, but I hope to see some of you on Zoom. So I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye, guys.